Hi, welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sitsuki, your host. Today I'll be showing you two amazing apps in Android. One's called Google Translate. Most of you probably heard about it. And the other one you may not heard about is Talking Translator. Both are an awesome program. What it does is able to translate English or any other languages to another language. For example, from English to Chinese, from English to French, from English to Polish. So this can be achieved through Google Translate or Talking Translator. Now what's amazing about it is that you can actually, let me show you, let's do Google Translate first. The amazing part about it is that you can actually speak to it and it will translate and even pronounce the word for you. For example, I'm going to translate English to Chinese. Let's go and check Chinese here. Chinese Mandarin. Okay, we'll make traditional Chinese. Okay, for example, if I type "How are you?" on Google Translate, oops, and press enter, and they gave me in Chinese written form, so you can actually look at the Chinese written form and see what it sounds like. Okay, and even have pinyin, so you can pronounce it by reading it if you know pinyin, or there's a audio button here you can click on and it will pronounce it for you. And
你怎么样?
你怎么样? Okay, let's try that again. How are you? How are you? Okay, without the question mark, it's going to be different.
你好.
So, 你好. Right? And let's say, I like apple pie. Let's see what happened. Okay, and it will say in Chinese, see how it written in Chinese and also pronunciation in pinyin, and then audio icon here you can press and it
我
will
喜欢苹果派.
苹果 pie, so apple pie. Pretty amazing. Now of course this technology will only happen or work if you have Wi-Fi or if you have 4G technology. A 2G or 3G probably will not work. I have a 2G and a slow 3G cellular network, and so I can't use this. For example, if I travel, I would have to get a 4G cellular network or a Wi-Fi, and so the application is amazing. For example, let's say if I came across a Chinese man in China or woman and I want to ask for direction, and they may not understand English, and how would I go about doing that? So imagine if I have a 4G phone and I would go like this. I go, where is Beijing? Where is Beijing? Let's see what happened. Okay, and let's see what pronounced.
北京在哪里?
Beijing 在哪里? So I don't even have to speak Chinese. I just let the translator say it and it will say Beijing 在哪里? Amazing. Okay? So let's try that in French. Let's say if I went to Paris and I said, where is the train station to Bellevue? Oops, Bellevue. Okay, which is a stop somewhere in Paris. So let's see what happened. So it already translates in French for me. Où est la gare à Bellevue? Now I don't see the icon for pronunciation. Let's try that again. French. Okay, see, and say where. Well, just say where is a train station. Okay, so you ask a French man or woman, where is the train station. I guess I want to say nearest station, but we'll leave it for now like that and see what happened. And there we go.
Où est la gare?
Où est la gare? Où est la gare? Let's try that again.
Où est la gare?
Où est la gare? Right? And translate that in, let's say, German.
Wo ist der Bahnhof?
Où est la? I don't know if I pronounced that right. Let's turn the volume up. Okay. Try again.
Wo ist der Bahnhof?
Okay, let's try another language here. Let's try, okay, Dutch. Alright, let's see.
Waar is het station?
Alright, so this is the application with Google Translate. Now let me show you another another translator called Talking Translator. This is also pretty amazing as well. In fact, you can just speak to it. Okay, again, this requires Wi-Fi or 4G technology in order for this to work. So let's say if I went to China again and I speak in English, I go, where am I? Okay, so it just typed for me, where am I? And I want to translate from English to Chinese. And what I do is translate. Okay, and there it is, the Chinese and the Pinyin pronunciation. Or if I click on here, this icon here, to listen, and
我这是在哪里呀？
我这是在哪里呀? Let's try that
我
again.
这是在哪里呀？
Okay, so for example, you go somewhere in China, you met a Chinese guy or woman, and then you want to know what's going on. Just use this Talking Translator, convert to Chinese, type in translate, and click on translate, and the words there, and the pronunciations there, or just click on listen, and it will speak it out for you. And I'm sure any Chinese woman or man will understand what you are talking about. Well, the computer talking for you. Right? So let's have a look at where to get these apps. Okay, so one is Google Translate, the other one is Talking Translator. So let's go to Google Play Store. Okay, click on that. It's called Google Play. Every Android phone should have this. Okay, you search for Google Translator. Okay, there it is. And I already installed it, so it looks looks like something like that. It has an icon, it's a Google Translate, and you can see 50 million people already download that. That's again not bad app at all, but I think I like the other one better, called Talking Translator. Let's see, Talking Translator. There we go. And this is the symbol that you're looking for, this one here. Click on that. The company is Green Life Apps. I already have 5 million downloads. I say this is actually better than Google Translate because the way the interface is pretty nice. Okay, so it looks something like that, you can see. So you type translate from English to Spanish, for example. Click translate, and it writes out Spanish words and sentences, and click to listen, and you get to listen directly. And if you're walking around with 4G phone, you can actually get this working. 3G, fast 3G network might work as well. Okay, so it depends on the the area that offer these services. So in the tourism, so check that out. So I hope these two apps is helpful. And I can see this, the future of traveling. Always never forget your smartphone and a SIM card with 4G or 3G or 4G technology. You are pretty much won't be stuck anywhere without these technology, the translator. Okay, talk to you soon.